going to Chocolate Hills. I am a tourist.
Chocolate Hills?
Yeah, can you help me? Where's the way?
Asa kung dapat ang Chocolate Hills. Andiyan
Hills?
na. Oh, na.
Chocolate Hills, lain ko.
Bukan yung musul.
Right?
Oh.
What is it?
Chocolate Hills?
Yeah.
Oh, mga
I'm sorry.
3.5 kilometer.
Okay.
Oh, 3.5 kilometer.
Can you come closer to the lady? Hi.
Eh,
I have pickup line.
ikan lain.
Yeah. You must be a charger. Pickup line. Do you know what pickup line is? If I say like, I don't know, but people say why. If I say you must be a charger, you say why. Dool na ang Chocolate Hills ne?
Hala.
Chocolate Hills ne?
Hala. Hala. Ano na ina? Ano mo, bitoyo?
Pero doon na lang yan.